Trinidad James had a song called All Gold Everything. And as you see by this picture, maybe Donald Trump needs to remake that song. Oh my God. This dude how can you have so much money and have no taste? To be fair though, like when he started Trump Plaza and all that stuff, his first wife, Ivana, she was in charge of interior designing. So if there was any elegance to Trump Plaza, all the Trump hotels in the very beginning, it was because of Ivana. This guy has no taste. It is all gaudy. He feels like if you just put gold on stuff, it makes you look great. And it just makes you look cheap. And that's not even the worst part. The door is bad enough. When you go inside the Oval Office, there's like pictures all over the place. There's pictures all over the wall and then pictures behind us. Like, oh my God, you're a pack rat. If you go back to like old footage when he used to interview Donald Trump in his office, it's almost like, Jesus Christ. Like you are a severe pack rat. You got articles all over the place, stuff all stacked up everywhere. Oh, it's a mess. But that's not the worst thing. The worst thing is he took the rose garden, the beautiful rose garden, elegant grass, flowers, everything, and he tore it up and put a cement white flooring on it. That beautiful scenery is gone. I can't imagine when world leaders who's been coming through the White House for years, when they come through and they see what happened to the rose garden and they see all this gold on the doors, and when they go inside and see all of these weird pictures all over the place, I'm just like, what in the world? Where am I? I don't know why everybody, the thing is, people can't tell him that he sucks, that he has no taste, because they're all scared of him. They treat him like he's John Gotti, man. They treated him like he's Al Capone or somebody. They treat, like in other countries, if you say something bad about Putin, unfortunately, you would get thrown in jail, just snatched up, disappear, or die. Now, you're not going to, for now, that doesn't happen to you in America, but he does make a list of people he want to go after. He does have a checklist of his enemies. Like the other day, like Tim Cook from Apple, he went there and he gave Trump an Apple plaque with a 24 karat gold plate bottom. Like, why? I mean, if you want to give him a gift or something, like an Apple gift card, it's like, hey, here's our new laptop that we're developing. Here's a prototype. Okay, I'll give you that. But all this gold, and it's like, here's some gifts, and I hope you like me. Oh my God, he's just a man who wears very bad suits and irregular ties and has this weird fascination with gold. Stop kissing his ass. Now, it's easy for me to say. I'm just making a video. So I can understand these guys, especially with tariffs and all that stuff. I understand it. Like, you're trying to get into the man's psyche, but I'm telling you, you guys are creating a monster. And even within, even you can't tell me Congress people, congressional aides, everybody probably look at all that gold. It's like, oh my God, who raised you? So let me ask you a question. Do you like all this gold? Do you think it's cool? Do you think the White House was bland and he kind of livened it up? Are you kind of like, bruh, this ain't it?